Hey yo, Bafethu, welcome to Imbu Bafethu. My name is Casanova. I know what you're thinking right now. Hey, this guy's calling himself Casanova. Yeah, bro. I'm Casanova Bafethu, and today I wanna give you something. But yeah, I'm trying to record. In the style. It's totally 150. I bamba don't. Yeah, much was 150 mfethu, which is a black diamond youngstown. And most people they say, hey, guys, you have to find the black diamond. They thought it's easy to find a black diamond, bro. Go easy bafethu. But yeah, like especially ocean law bafethu, ocean Big Zulu, ocean kokola, ayibamba lonto leyo. Yeah, and many more bafethu. Abangeke ngibize nonke kade ayibamba lonto leyo. Yeah, today I'm gonna be recording. Njengoba ngizobe ngirekhoda bafethu, kuzoyintinyana nje yabo. I'm trying to ukuthi ngishintshe nesitayela kancane ebamba lento leyo. Yeah bafethu. Okay, without kumosha isikhathi bafethu, without wasting time. Ngoba nelokhu njani ne-YouTube nayo ifuna what you call isingisi, so that people can understand what you're saying. Yeah, I'm going to be recording now. That's why I'm recording. All right, but it's okay. Let's jump on it and sort of. Yeah, it's something is the beat, everything is so I'm ready to do the song. Yeah. But first, let's get into
bambulwa nangemibuzo sandosa nangemibuzo bambulwa nangemibuzo sandosa nangemibuzo bambulwa.
Second take, yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Ukuthanda wena Ntombi uyiphutha kwabanye abantu. Ukuthanda wena Ntombi uyiphutha kwabanye abantu. Manene izobuhlungu mina kuthi ngithandane nawe kanti ufuna ukungiphetha. Ngingamanene izobuhlungu mina kuthi ngithandane nawe kanti ufuna ukungiphetha. Ngilimele kanti uthanda intoni noma ungekho eduze kwami. Ngilimele kanti uthanda intoni noma ungekho eduze kwami. Ngilimele kanti uthanda intoni noma ungekho eduze. Kade bengihleka but